I'm truly sorry, nothing to please. You're not the girl I used to know. It's killing me. And in the lips of my memories, your stories echo from the past. Because your face stand up when you're a black ass. Sorry, I really am. My final words are on the fake. In black and white, and then the hallway of memories. You're like montage.